In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and edit a new workbook in Empower Sheets. We use the Empower Sheets version 9.2. To begin, open Excel as usual and navigate to the Empower ribbon located within Excel's ribbon interface. Next, within the Start section, click on the New Workbook button, which will then open the library. Inside the library, you will find a collection of pre-designed workbooks in the company design templates, tailored specifically to match your company's corporate design. These workbooks already include Excel native fonts, colors, and default formats for your convenience. Additionally, you can also access your own saved workbooks in the User Library section, which we will cover in another training video. Once you have selected one of the workbooks, the new workbook will open and you can start editing it immediately. To ensure consistent formatting in your Excel file, it is advisable to utilize the corporate design defaults from the Edit section found in the Empower ribbon. This section offers various options for formatting texts and shapes. The Edit section can be expanded by clicking on the Format button and using the right arrow key. It resembles the native font and align section available in the Excel's Home tab. However, in the Empower ribbon, these options are specifically tailored, aligning with your company's corporate design. Within this section, you will have access to the fonts, sizes, and colors that adhere to your corporate design guidelines, unless your Empower administrator have not restricted the colors and fonts yet. All Excel native formatting options are available via the Edit section. Now feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. For more information about Empower Sheets, check out our other training videos.